the hole.
You okay, buddy?
He's fine. Look at him go again. Hey, that's mine. Oh my gosh. You really just... Okay. Enjoy, I guess. Oh, just look at him. The dog is just hanging on. He's hugging him. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Monster.
Oh my gosh, he just held him down. Poor baby.
Look at him go. She's not moving a bit.
Oh, buddy, you're trying.
Go and get it. Oh. No. Buddy, you alright?
Oh, he's got... Nope, lost it.
That bird is way too quick.
Look at him go.
Tails
like a lure. Oh, and they're off again.
Alright, nap time again.
Whoa, hey, it's just a frog, buddy. You're okay. It's tiny. Brave cat, though.
Meow.
You want one? All right, hold on. Whoa! Ah, hey! Oh no! Dude, my chips!
That's payback, man.
Oh,
Oh my
he just
God.
fainted.
Buddy, we haven't even touched you yet.
Drama King. Look at him.
Oh my gosh, you got it. Let go, buddy. The cat.
Look at his face. Easy, buddy.
She's copying him.
Poor guy doesn't know what
This
to
is
do.
ridiculous.
How does a cow move?
Oh, buddy. You fell asleep mid-sit, huh?
They didn't see that coming.
Look at them.
Shake it off, buddy. Shake it off.
Round two.
Buddy, what is this? Huh? Look at all this. You turned the whole house into snow. Are you serious right now? Oh, no. What now? And here comes the crow with a hammer. What are you two planning? You guys are unbelievable.
How does the cow moo?
like that, huh? It's okay, buddy. He's just giving you kisses. Such a good boy. I know.
Okay, my turn.
And mine.
Going again.
One more. Oh no!
Try again.
I can't breathe.
Easy there, buddy. Oh no.
Didn't make it.
Oh, just look at him. The dog is just hanging on. He's hugging him. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Dad, you look so pretty.
Oh my.
Hey, give me back my fish! Oh boy.
Okay, let's listen to your heart. Good boy, just relax. Sounds good. Now for the lungs. All done. Good job.
Hey, Lynn, come back here right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you actually fit in there. Oh, now look what you started. Go, go, go. He's not going to catch him. Go.
Okay.
You're coming right for it. Oh, hey, come back here.
Bunny? Mommy!
Oh no, bud, don't do it. He's. Oh! Yep, there he goes. Poor kitty.
Here it is, here it is. Food is coming soon. Oh, you little monkeys.
Just a second.
Look, a handsome and elegant gentleman.
Oh no, the power's out.
Here you go, little buddy. Got some peanuts for you. Yeah, come on. Oh, hey, no, not the phone.
He is so into it.
That's the happiest cat I've ever seen.
Look, a handsome and elegant gentleman.
Buddy, you good? You look like you had a long day. You falling asleep, buddy? Oh! You okay?
Silly guy.
Oh my gosh, she just keeps smacking him.
And he just takes
Look
it
at that
and
face. He's so patient.
best friends.
Dude, it's right there. You can see the orange
Yeah,
one.
hold on, I'm gonna get under. Oh my god, no way!
It hit you in the face!
And the phone's gone. Oh, that's in the muck. Okay, here we go. Oh!
This video has ended. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Just Funny channel. Thank you and see you again.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
It's on 2 legs.
Buddy, it's just a cat.
He's terrified. Look at him shaking.
Oh, this is wild.
All right, 2 of the same, and you win. Okay, your turn, buddy. No way! You.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
He's
gosh,
matching
look at
the
him
turtle
go.
step for
He
step.
thinks he's a turtle now.
Slow and steady,
This is
buddy.
the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Oh my god. He's smacking him. Yep, that's his milk, buddy. Better move.
Look how much fun our little one is having playing. I wish I could have fun playing in this flower field with my dog.
Oh my
He's
gosh,
matching
look at
the
him
turtle
go.
step for
He
step.
thinks he's a turtle now.
Slow and steady,
This is
buddy.
the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Whoa, hey, it's just a frog, buddy. You're okay. It's tiny. Brave cat, though.
Oh my gosh, he's out cold.
Look at the drool.
He's snoring like a grandpa.
Oh, they're going
Get
for
it, buddy.
Oh, right in the head. You okay, little guy?
That was adorable.
Oh my gosh! A whole army of cats.
This is the first time I've seen an egg hatch into a cat. A beautiful kitten.
He's enjoying it so much. But his handsome face is all dirty now. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, buddy. You good in there? All right, hold on. You okay, buddy? Poor guy.
Oh, you're enjoying yourself so much, aren't you?
Hmm?
Oh my gosh, look at that face. You're so funny.
Oh, buddy. All right. Oh no, the power's out. hanging by the. Whoa! Oh my gosh! You kidding me?
Come on, Milo. Let's go, buddy. Stay with me. Good boy. Almost there. Yeah, whoa, speeding up, huh? Hey, where you going? Ha.
Oh my gosh.
No way.
He's right on beat.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, you two are so cute! Go on, play nicely. Yes, good pets.
Oh my gosh, look at those teeth. He is loving it.
He's grinning.
Keep going, buddy. Oh my gosh, he just held him down. Poor baby.
Oh! Oh my gosh! He caught it and he dropped it. Buddy, what was that face?
Here he goes. Oh, buddy, that didn't work out.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, you actually fit in there. Oh, now look what you started. Go, go, go. He's not going to catch him.
Come on, buddy. Whoa! You okay, dude?
He's fine.
Buddy, come here. Hi. Oh, I miss
Look
you
at that
so
tail.
much. Oh, there he is. You sweet boy.
He's not letting go.
Come straight. strut. Milo, be nice. Uh-oh. Oh! Run, buddy, run! Oh my gosh.
There goes a bird. Now he's mad. Oh, they're off!
Oh my gosh, dude. Poor thing. He looks so betrayed.
Lovebirds, literally. Same, buddy.
What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he's running! He's so scared!
Oh my gosh, you scared him. Now he's in trouble.
Oh no, what are you doing? Were you eating the toilet paper?
Busted.
Drop it! Drop it! Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Come on, take me! Oh, come on, hey! Oh, go, you little rascal! All right, I'm coming out.
Hi, come here. Hi. Oh, I miss you so much. Oh, Dad. You sweet boy.
He's not letting go. Just look at him. The dog is just hanging on. He's hugging him. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oh, buddy. You all right?
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
And give us more motivation to develop the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Come on, hey! Oh my cat, that's mine! Oh my gosh! He caught it and he dropped it. Buddy, what was that face?
Woo! Look at you two! Bounce, bounce, bounce. Good puppy.
That's so rude. Oh my gosh.
my gosh, dude. Poor kitty. He covered his nose.
In a pair of best friends, there's always one who's rebellious and the other who calmly watches the rebel. Ha 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 ha! How funny!
Birdie's not gonna like that. Whoa! God, he launched it! Cat's all right. Lesson learned.
Oh my gosh, she just keeps smacking him.
And he just takes
Look
it.
at that face. He's so patient.
Best friends.
You guys are too much. Yep. He's not getting away from you.
Oh my gosh, you scared him. Now he's in trouble.
Give him a strut. Milo, be nice. Uh-oh. Oh! Run, buddy, run! Oh my gosh.
This is the first time I've seen an egg hatch into a cat. A beautiful kitten.
Yeah, you look so pretty.
Meow.
Meow?
Meow.
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 Oh my gosh, dude. Poor kitty. He covered his nose.
Oh my gosh, look at his face. Easy, bud.
Oh, buddy, you missed it. Oh no.
His tail, look at his tail.
Hang on, little guy.
Our cat seems quite confused, but I can't help but laugh.
Oh my gosh. Go get him.
Oh, he's coming for you, buddy. Get him, champ. Throw a left hook. Oh, he's not giving up.
It's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Come on, ref, call it.
Baby!
Look at him go. She's not moving a bit.
Oh, buddy, you're trying.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
He's copying me.
Poor guy doesn't know what
This
to
is
do.
ridiculous.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get
Oh my gosh, it's actually grabbing him.
Gotcha, buddy.
Look at his face. So
Oh
confused.
no, drop incoming!
Boop.
Sorry, dude.
Great, our video ends here. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Just Funny channel to support us.
Oh, bless you, buddy. Oh my
He just fainted.
Buddy, we haven't even touched you yet.
Drama King. Look at him.
Oh no! Yeah, let it go.
How does a cow move?
Woo, get it, man.
Watch this flip. Whoa, whoa!
Meow.
Oh my gosh, we're good.
He's loving it.
Little man, are you pouting? Hi there. Oh, there he is. Good boy. Too much. You're so funny.
Just hanging by the. Whoa! Oh my gosh! You kidding me? All right, buddy. Just gonna listen real quick. Oh my gosh!
Done.
Dramatic as ever.
Okay, my turn.
And mine.
Going again.
One more.
Oh no! Try again!
I can't breathe.
Oh my! He went straight in the hole.
You okay, buddy?
He's fine. Look at him go again.
Oh, buddy. You all right?
Oh no. You didn't like it?
You're kidding me.
He keeps doing it. Look at him.
That's wild.
Oh no! Buddy!
Meow. Oh, he's locked in. Look at him. Here he goes. Oh, ha! Oh my gosh, he missed.
He's fine. He's fine.
Look at him.
No, buddy! You toppled the ball!
Oh, big yawn. You hiding out in there, huh? Little pocket.
He's nodding off.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay, buddy?
Look at that face.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna get
Oh my gosh, it's actually grabbing him!
Gotcha, buddy.
Look at his face! So confused.
Oh no, drop incoming.
Boop!
Sorry, dude.
Oh my gosh, look at you. You were outside for 5 minutes and you're a swamp creature. Do you see my pores? Do you see this? Don't even think about. Ah! Henry!
Whoa. Oh my gosh, he flipped.
Are you okay, buddy?
He's fine. Look at him.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Oh, buddy. Poor kitty.
Easy there, buddy. Oh no.
Didn't make it. I owed him up.
Oh my gosh, you fell right on his face. Poor buddy.
You pay no bills, but you look stressed.
Oh, you're telling on him? Maybe he's sharing, huh? Oh, you're telling on him? Maybe he's sharing, huh?
Oh! What just happened? Poor guy.
Look at him just chilling over there.
Uh-oh.
Poor kitty, he's so confused.
He's like, what just happened?
Give him strut. Milo, be nice. Uh-oh. Oh! Run, buddy, run! Oh my gosh.
Oh, you two are so cute! Go on, play nicely. Yes, good pets.
He's going for the tail again.
Oh, buddy, that's not smart.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes.
And he is out of here.
Oh, buddy. Yeah, that's not gonna fit, pal. You gotta turn it. Turn it sideways. No? Okay. He's so confused.
Come on, buddy.
Oh,
Whoa!
he went through.
You okay, dude?
He's fine. Look at him.
Oh my God.
That's what you get for tailgating, bro.